so we can be free. All the past, all the past, running through my head, running through my head, running through my head.
What is up guys? So ngayon nga is react tayo kay Unknown 18. So as you all know, I'm a supporter of Unknown 18 since the first basta. So let's react to his first video. Let's go. What's this? It's too fast. It's too fast. It's too fast. My first video has come. Please subscribe. I'm already subscribed though. My first subscriber will have a lot of credits. But my subscribers and fans will have more credits. Wait, content M. What is M? Flip a clip. Oh, it's done. Okay. So let's react to another one.
Where were you?
Oh my god. It's a lad!
Ethan's car was spotted.
There are tons of free animation
Not
apps
this
out there,
one.
but in this video,
Not
I'll
this
be
one, I
animating.
mean this one. This one. What is this one? We is he using Minecraft beta? I know this one, so you're gonna say subscribe, subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, let's just skip this. So it's too long. Okay, this one. Set to this. Oh my god. Okay. 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 What do we do now? Maybe bruv, you cannot even climb a thing. Oh my god. Wait, did it just fart? Come on. Do you want to leak his name? First, give him 10 subscribers so I can leak his name. YOLO. What? Wait, the chicken. My god. You're chopping too much wood. You don't even have a single cobblestone, dude. Kill the chip. Okay, perfect. So maybe I will make a series of Minecraft Hardcore. So, yeah. Stay tuned for that. But what are you doing now? That ship. I know what you were gonna do. I know that you're gonna kill a sheep. You cannibal. Kill that. Oh my gosh. It's like a 16 frame per second. Come on. Kill that. Bang. Go. Ugh, oh my gosh. What are you doing to flowers? Bro. Like, really, dude? Really, dude? Okay, you're digging down. No, what? Okay. What are you gonna do now?
That is the answer of guys.
Okay.
See you in the episode.
What? What he said? What he said? So that's for today's video, guys. Bye!